Good afternoon, everyone. This is Group 1, and our practical part will be about data cleaning. For this purpose, we created a small data set which has student ID and name in the same columns, as well as their marks for English and math in the same columns. So our aim is to get rid of all the punctuation as well. So by the end of this practical, we will be having 4 columns instead of only 2, as well as we will be changing the data type. Mostly it will be string. We will change, for example, the ID into numbers and marks into decimals or something like that. So your analytics software or visualization will be able to distinguish which one is measure and which one is dimension. For this practical part, we'll be using Tableau Group1. First of all, we will be importing our data set. It's Microsoft Access. It's in form of Microsoft Excel. Once your data being loaded, you can just go ahead and press plus, then clean step. We will be duplicating this one into 2 parts. So we'll be having one for the ID and one for the name. For this one, it will be for the ID. We will just go to clean, and then we will remove all the letters. Second step, we will remove all the punctuations. Then we will remove if there is any extra spaces or something like that. Then we choose decimal, the data type, we change it into decimal. We have to change it into our numbers, it's ID. Then we can just change the name, just ID, for example. For the second column, we will do the opposite. We will remove all the numbers, as well as we will remove all the punctuations. Also, we will be doing the cleaning for any extra spaces, just in case. For this one, you can see it's string. No need to change the data type, but we can change the name. For this one, no need to do duplicate. Since we have a comma here, no need to duplicate this one. We can use it later on, but first we need to get rid of all the letters. Then we can do something called split values. We can do custom split. We can split this one into 2, but use the separator to split them. Now Tableau will automatically split them into 2. So this one we can remove it, no need it. So this one seems to be clean, but we can make sure there is no extra spaces. And we change the data type into decimal as well. We change this one into math. For this one, we remove all the punctuation, and we remove any extra spaces. Also, we change the data type into decimal. We change this one into, for example, English. Okay, then you can just put them in order, just drag and drop. Okay, once you finish, you can just go to a plus sign again. Then you can do output. This is your data clean after you clean the data. Thank you so much.